You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting names of cities in Russia that are confusing, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. A city in Siberia. How do you say it? In Russian it is said as Krasnoyarsk, Krasnoyarsk. So it's not a no sound, it's not Krasnoyarsk, but rather Krasnoyarsk, Krasnoyarsk, no, Krasnoyarsk. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.